Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby. The following is Bulletin 25 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica today,
October 24,
2025 at 1700 hours Eastern Standard Time. The tropical storm warning and the hurricane watch remains in effect for Jamaica as tropical storm Melisa is expected to rapidly strengthen while resuming a forward track closer to the island. At 4 p.m., the center of tropical storm Melisa was located near latitude 16 degrees north, longitude 74.3 degrees west. This is about 360 kilometers southwest of Port-au-Prince, Haiti, and about 294 kilometers southeast of Moran Point and 345 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Tropical storm Melisa is moving slowly toward the north near 4 kilometers per hour, and a turn towards the west is forecast on Saturday and continue through Monday. A turn to the north and northeast is forecast on Tuesday and Wednesday. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 100 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Rapid intensification is now forecast for the next several days, and Melisa is forecast to become a hurricane tomorrow and a major hurricane by Sunday. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 220 kilometers from the center. On the forecast track, the center of Melisa is expected to move from south to north over central Jamaica early next week and over eastern Cuba by the middle of the week. Tropical storm Melisa is expected to be a major rainfall producer over Jamaica. Rainfall amounts reaching 300 to 400 millimeters, that is 12 to 16 inches, are forecast for the island over the weekend, starting in eastern parishes and gradually spreading westward across the island during the course of next week. Locally, high amounts are possible and residents should take note. As the tropical storm moves closer to the island, expect strong gusty winds reaching tropical storm force to initially affect eastern parishes later this evening and continuing into the weekend across the island. Hurricane force winds are also possible from as early as Sunday. While marine areas will see further deterioration this evening and tonight, small craft operators, including fishers from the Keys and Banks, are advised to remain in harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Tropical Storm Melisa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 8 p.m. today, and it is likely that a hurricane warning could be issued for the island at that time. Note that tropical storm warning means that tropical storm conditions, including possible sustained wind speeds of 63 to 118 kilometers per hour, are expected to affect Jamaica in 36 hours or less. Hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions, including sustained winds of 119 kilometers per hour or higher, pose a possible threat to Jamaica within 48 hours. That was Bulletin 25, issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good evening.